చదువు అంటే చదివేవా? ఏం చెప్పాను తెల్లారి?
What is this, Roshan?
అన్ని తీస్తాను బయటలో ఇస్తాను. తెల్లారి నేనేం చెప్పాను?
Very good. This one.
Say fast.
Ka. This is ka. Say.
అది నోట్లి తరుగుతుందో.
Can you see what I have written? Is it visible? This one, ma. Second is ka. Is it visible?
Kha. Say. Say something. Kha say.
Say.
Yeah, fast. Loudly. Loudly.
Yes.
Gosh.
Kargosh. What is kargosh?
What is kargosh?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. What is this? What is this, ma?
Ga.
Ga. Ga say.
Guy.
Ga say guy. What is guy? What is guy, Roshan?
Cow.
Cow. Very good. This one?
Ga.
Ga. Ga say.
Gun.
Gun. Very good. This one?
Ang.
Ang. Very good. This one?
Cha.
Cha. This one?
Chammach.
Cha say chammach. This one?
Look here.
Cha.
Cha say? What is this?
Chalni.
Chatri, chalni. Okay. This one?
అక్క చూడు.
Jahaz.
Ja say jahaz.
Jahaz.
Jahaz. This one?
Ja.
Ja say?
Jaroka.
Jaroka. What is jaroka, Roshan?
Small window.
A small window. Very good, Roshan. This is nya.
Yeah.
Nya. Okay. Very good. And then today we are going to learn a new set of words. That is ta. Ta. Okay. Ta. Da. Da. No. First we'll finish these four. Okay? It's in page number. All of you take your books, children. Page number 26. Page number 26. I want you to take page number 26.
Good evening, ma'am.
Namaste. Okay? Da, tha, da, sa, na. Okay, next this set of words we are going to see. Yes, children, repeat after ma'am. Da. Look at the board. Da. Tha. Da. Na. Okay? Page number. All these words, this set of 5 words, not ta, tha, da, da, na. You are going to roll your tongue inside and say. Okay? You have to roll your tongue inside. Ta. Ta. Roll your tongue upwards. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Okay, first set of words was kaka gagana. In that set, we had no lip sync. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Okay, did my lip sync? When you're saying those words, your lip will not sync. So first set of words you will say like that. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. And next set of word is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. For that all you will have the cha sound. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Okay, third set of word is you will roll your tongue up and say. You will roll your tongue up and say. This is a small hint you have to listen, children. Then only you will remember all the lines, okay? Next set of words, you will roll your tongue up and say ta, tha, da, tha, na. Roll your tongue and say. Okay? Come on, try it. Arjun, try. Ta, tha, da, da, na. Roll your tongue and say.
What? Can you book on?
Page number 20, from page number 26, ma. It's from page number 26.
I already done.
Yeah, keep it ready. And your writing book also. Candy book. Where is your candy book? Take your candy book. And
Right. This uncle.
take your candy book, ma. I didn't tell you to color. I didn't tell you to read. I want you to take your candy book. In this Svar, Vyanjan, both are given. So you can see how many lines we have finished here. Here itself you can see. Yes?
Look, ma'am.
Yeah, first line. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. No lip sync at all. No. Okay? Just open your mouth and say no lip syncing at all. Okay? Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. The next set of words is green in color. Right? Keep your pointer finger in that. Arjun, take your candy book, Arjun. Sit straight, Arjun. Sit straight. Fold your legs and sit. Keep the book. Last page, last page. Yeah. Keep your pointer finger, children, in ka. Pointer finger in ka. Ka, kha, ga, ga, ang. Okay. Next is green color line. Okay. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. In this line also no lip syncing, all are cha sound. Cha, 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 like that you will say. And the third line is you will roll your tongue and say it's purple color. Purple color line here. Third line. Roll your tongue and say. Tongue, how will you roll your tongue and say? Tongue, you will say no, ta sound. T sound, you will say no. How will you say? You will roll and say, right? Ta, like that only. Ta, tha, da, da, na. In this line, did your lip sync, children? Can you see lip syncing here? Can you see any lip syncing here? Ta, tha, da, da, na. Can you see any lip syncing here? Yes or no? Anyone answer?
No.
No. Lip syncing na ennaduma? Odadu ottama solradhu. Okay va? You should not use your lips like this. It will not come like this. Okay, without lip sync we are saying ta, tha, da, da, na. Yes, come on, Grithvik, read this line. Ta, da, 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 na. Read the line, mother. Purple color.
Purple color. Ta.
Roll your tongue and say. Ta, tha, da,
Da.
na.
Na.
Ta, tha, da, da, na. Okay? Come on, Masvin. Read this purple line. Masvin, read the purple line, ma.
Ta.
Mm.
T.
The,
Na.
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 Okay, Satvi, come on, read. Third line, purple line.
Ta.
Ta.
Da.
Mm.
Da.
Mm.
Ta.
No. Na.
Na.
Okay, na. Fine. Okay. Next, who is going to read? Roshan, read ma. Point it out and read, Roshan. Mm.
Ta.
Mm.
Ta. Da. Da. Na.
Very good, ma, Roshan. Dayanand. Dayanand. Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read.
Namaste, ma'am. Da.
Very good, Dayanand. Ryan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma. Ryan.
Da. Da.
Mm.
Ga.
Gava. Is it Gava?
Na.
Da. First word. Point out the first word. Da. Have to roll your tongue and say Ryan. Okay. Ryan.
Listen, ma'am.
Ryan, listen first. Roll your tongue and say. What is the sound of T?
Kita. Da.
Ta. No, like that only you will say. Okay. Ta.
Da.
Tha.
Da.
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 Na.
Na.
Point it
Na.
out and say ma. Point out with your finger and say.
Point it out. Ipan ta.
Da.
Mm.
Da.
Mm.
Ga.
Da. 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 It's da.
Da. Da.
Na.
Na.
Very good, Ryan. Next, who else? Shravan. Read the purple line, ma, Shravan.
Da. 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 Na.
No, very good, Dayanand. Sai Charan, sorry, Shravan. Sai Charan. Sai Charan.
Yes.
Come on, read it.
Da.
Hmm.
Da.
Hmm.
Da.
Hmm.
Da.
Hmm.
Nya.
Nya, it's not nya, na.
Na.
Na, okay, very good. Who else? Who else is here? Did I miss out anyone? Okay, everyone finished. So take page number 26, children.
Ma'am,
అడుగు
Ma'am.
Kumaran.
గ్రీన్ కలర్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ లాస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ అడుగు మీ మ్యామ్ అని చెప్తే
Wait, ma. Nivin, mute yourself. Nivin, it's saying Nivin. Yeah, tell me, Gritvik.
Last line.
చెప్పు ఏం కలర్ అది
Green color line. Last.
Green color
One
line.
letter. Tell me.
This one. This one.
Yeah.
Nya.
Yeah.
Okay?
ఓకే అని చెప్పు
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Chepana.
Page number 26, children. Book. Textbook page number 26. Ta. What letter is this? Are you able to see my screen, children? Can you see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. This is ta. Okay. See, this one is ta. Ta, say tum tum. What is tum tum? Horse carriage. Okay, horse carriage. Tum tum. All of you took the page. Point out with your pointer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ta,
Yes.
say tum tum. Ta, say tomato. say button. Here in between you have the word here. It is highlighted in red color. Button, okay? And then ta say tub. So you need not say that button, children, will leave it. Ta say tub. Ta say tahani. What is tahani, children? Who is going to say? Ta say tahani. What is tahani?
Me.
Yeah, say ma. What is tahani? Branch of a tree. Okay, it's a branch of a tree. Ta say tum tum, horse carriage. Ta say tomato, tomato. Ta say tub. You can see it's a bathtub. Ta say tahani, branch of a tree. Okay. Next is tha. This one. Ta. Page number 27. Ta. Ta say tug. Tug is a robber, thief. Ta say tug. Point out and say Roshan. Point out with your pointer finger. I want everyone to point it out and say the word. But don't unmute yourself. Say loudly, children. Ta say tug. Ta say tappa. Tappa is stamp. Okay. Ta say tappa. Ta say tahar. We'll say taharo, no? Taharo means stop. Ta say tahar. Stop. Ta say tatera. Who is ta say tatera? Coppersmith or tinsmith, okay? Ta say tatera. Ta say tahaka. Okay? From the beginning, ta say tug, robber. Ta say tappa, stamp. Ta say tahar, stop. Ta say tatera, coppersmith or tinsmith. Ta say tahaka, laughter. Okay? Okay, can you identify any picture from this? First, ta. Who is going to say? Ta say. Yes, ma. Very good. Ta say tomato. Very good, Nevin. Ta say tum tum. Ta say tub. Very good. Very good, Kritik. Ta say this one. Tahani. This one. Ta say tahani. Branch of a tree. Okay. Ta say tum tum. Ta say tomato. Ta say tub. Ta say tahani. Okay. Now take your pencil, children. Take your pencil in your hand. Now circle the picture which I am saying, okay? Ta say tub. Circle the picture. Ta say tub. Very good, Arjun. Ta say tub. Should not get help from your parents. Come on. Whatever you know, you circle. If you don't know, you ask ma'am. Ma'am is going to show it to you. Okay? Ta say tub. Finish. Ta say tomato. Ta say tahani. Which is tahani?
Ma'am, everybody should circle or only Arjun should circle, ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, yeah, everybody should circle, all.
Everyone should circle.
Okay.
How I say it's only for Arjun? It's for everyone. See, everyone is circling. Shravan is circling. Ritvik is doing. See? Ta say tahani. Circle da.
Yes, ma'am.
Ta say tum tum. Where is tum tum? Good. Very good, Roshan. Tum tum. Okay, now the next page. Next page, ta. Okay? Ready, all of you? Ta se tatera. Where is ta se tatera? Tatera. Who is tatera? Come on, show me, Kritvik. Tatera.
Ma'am, I circled all things myself, ma'am.
Which you circled, ma'am? I didn't tell you to circle everything. I told only tatera to circle. You should identify and circle, ma. Okay, very good. Next
Only
is
one more.
ta se tappa. Tappa. See the action, tappa. Ta se tappa. Roshan, show me where is tappa. Show me where is tappa, Roshan. Point it out and show me where is tappa. Very good, Roshan. Good. Very good, Roshan. Ta se tug. Kritvik, where is ta se tug? Say yes, ma'am, Kritvik. Ta se tug. Where is tug? Show me. Ta se tug. Show me, ma. Show your book. Where is tug? Ta se tug. Anyone have circled correctly? Ta se tug. Ryan, you have circled correctly. Ta se tug.
Yes, ma'am, all myself.
Very good. Who is a tug, ma? Who is a tug? Tug, tug.
Tug.
I asked tug, not tatera. Tug.
Tug, now you told, la?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, who is that? Ta se tug. Robber.
That is the thief.
Is a robber. Okay. Next one, ta se teher. Look at ma'am's hand. What action ma'am is doing? Teher. Ta se teher. Teher. Ah, very good, Ryan. Ta se teher. Very good. Good, Kritvik. Ta se teher circle. Very good, children. And now take the last page in this book, children. Reader itself. You will have a story at last. You will have a lion story. Here. You will have a lion story. Page number is 71. This page, 71 you will have.
I have, ma'am,
Yeah, that's the lion and the mouse story. Okay. That's the lion and the mouse story. Here you are going to circle the letters which I am saying. Okay, ready for that? Let me see thumbs up in your hands. Who are all ready? Kritvik, Niven, Rayan. Very good. Arjun,
Yes,
Roshan.
ma'am, I know the story.
Yeah, come on. Start. We'll start. First is Ka. Circle Ka. Ka letter you have to circle. I will not show you. You have to circle Ka in this. Find out the word letter Ka and circle. Here many letters are given, right? For example, see here one Ka is there. Ek, ek. Ka you have to circle. Like that you have to do. Ka circle. See how many Ka is there and circle. Maximum you have to circle more than 3. 3 or 4. Maximum 3. Let me see who is finishing first.
This page.
Page number 71. Textbook. In the textbook only.
Okay.
Kritvik, textbook ma. Last if you turn, you will have page number 71, lion and the mouse story, no? In that you have to write the word Ka.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
I'll write and show you. This Ka. Whenever you see this Ka, you circle. Ka. Ready? Who finished? Very good, Roshan. How many star you have circled, Roshan? Very good. Good,
Ma'am,
Satveer.
I am finished, ma'am.
Very good, Sai
Ma'am,
Chandran.
I am finished, ma'am.
Very good, Niven. Okay, next. Next word is ah. Ah. See where is ah and circle. Ah. See where is ah and circle. Ah. Check out. Come on. Check each line whether you have ah letter there.
I finished, ma'am.
You've been very happy to circle.
Ma'am, I finished the arm.
What, ma?
I finished the arm.
How many ah is there? Come on, tell me. Wait, I first count myself. I will count.
I finished the two arms.
Four is there. Correct, ah?
Two, ma'am.
Two ah?
Yes.
Check properly.
Two, ma'am.
Two only.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Three. Three.
Ank ah is
You
there.
have three, ma'am.
Ah is there. Aunga ah is there.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Satvik, I am hearing you. Tell me.
I have three, ma'am.
Three you got.
I
Okay. Good.
have four.
Yeah, three.
I
Very good.
have-
Three only.
I have car.
Three.
Ah,
Three
God,
ah
ah,
is
chep-
there. Three.
Four, ma'am.
Four. No, ma. Only three.
No, how many hours?
I took
Ma'am, I circled four, ma'am.
That is ow. Ow and all you should not circle, children. That is ow. Separately. Finish? Okay, next letter. Next letter is this one. What is this? What is this letter, children? A. Ah, come on. Circle the letter A in that. Yes? 5A is there. Found out our Roshan. Arjun. Arjun. Who is helping you? Point it out with your pointer finger line by line. Then you will find out. See, like this, you have to see. A is there. Here one A is there. Here one A is there. Like that, you have to see and go. Point it out and see. 3. 5 is there. I circled 5.
Ma'am, I got 6, ma'am.
6. Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me.
Every 6, ma'am.
Where all you got A? Come on, show me. In that picture also you circled.
First line,
Ah.
first line 3,
First line 3, then
Second line.
Second paragraph.
Second paragraph.
Third line.
Third line.
Hmm.
Three.
Third paragraph.
Third paragraph.
First line.
First line.
Five.
Last paragraph. Second line.
Last paragraph. Second line.
Second line, huh? Okay, good.
Very
Very good, Satvik. I missed that. Hey, thank you, Satvik. Very good.
I want more.
Yeah, you got 4, huh? Dennis, you got 4. Okay, no issues. More than 3. No issues. Okay, next letter. Shall we move on? Next letter. Next is this one. What is this letter? G. Come on, circle G. Circle G. G. Very good. Shravan is doing independently. Very good. Roshan. Sitting in different places, Roshan. First you sat there, now you came here. Very good, Arjun. Sai Charan, are you circling, ma? Do it. Kumara Gurubaran. Maswin. Maswin.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you circling? How many you got?
4.
Can you find G?
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Ma'am, I got only 4, ma'am.
4. How many did you get, ma, Maswin?
5.
5. 4, 5. Satvik, how many did you get?
Ma'am, I got 5, ma'am.
5. Good. Sai Charan?
Ma'am, I got 3, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Right.
Ma'am, I got 3, ma'am.
You got
Got
3. Good. Got 3. No, that's enough. Okay, next one. Next letter, ready?
Yes, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Next letter, shall we move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Next is this letter. What is it?
Oh,
Ow. Come on, circle. Ow.
that is ow, ma'am.
Yeah, circle, ma. Ow. How many ow you have? Circle. Living
I
Surya,
have-
ow.
I have 4, ma'am.
Yes, ma, Satvik.
I have 1, 2, 3. Ma'am, how I got 2, ma'am?
2.
3.
3.
2 or 3?
Two or three?
The 11th name itself you have one. Tell them you have one house.
Three, ma'am.
Here you have one house. Then here two. Then
I got four.
four. Yeah, that's it. Four is there. Three. Here one. Another one is four is there.
Four, ma'am.
Here. The first line itself one now is here. Here. 1, 2, 3, and here on 4. 4 you have. Very good, Satvik. Roshan, good. 4, ah? Very good.
Ma'am, four, ma'am. He got.
Good.
He got. Ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
very
ma'am.
good. Very good, children. Clap hands for yourself. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Okay. Now, ma'am is going to teach you how to write it. Okay. We are going to write in the notebook. Ma'am is going to teach you how to write first a sleeping line, a standing line, and then a curve like C. T. Sleeping line, standing line, curve like C. T. Okay, come on, take the page and write in your candy book. Take your candy book and write. Tomato, you will have tomato there. First you finish writing, then you can color it, okay? Page number 41. Page number 41. This page. First you finish writing this and then you can color. T say tomato. Write today's date, children. And whenever you are sending the page, please mention your name here, children. Whenever you are taking a snap and sending it to me, no, you have to write the name here. Here a name space is given here. In this page, you have to write your name. Or else if you are not able to write here, above this page also you can write. Write the date and write your name and then send it, okay? I'm not able to identify the sheets what you send, children, sometimes. Spell and write, ma. Arjun, spell and write, Arjun. Sai Charan, spell and write. Roshan, spell and write. Keep down and write, Roshan. Is it okay for you to write? Comfortable, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good, Satvik, spelling out. Ryan,
Yes, ma'am.
spell and write, Ryan, okay?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Shravan, what letter are you writing, Shravan? What is that letter?
Ma'am, finish.
Very good, Masai Charan. Color it. If you have finished, you can color that tomato. Tomato. Finish. Very good. Writing also finish. Ah, well done. Good. First. Very good, Masai. Roshan, finish? One page you finish it, children. Afterwards, you write the next page. Only one page. The tomato page you finish, okay? Afterwards, you finish that another page, this one, and send it to me. This you finish first.
I write it.
Yeah.
I write it, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Nivin. Roshan, I think you are writing the opposite page.
He started writing this page,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's
So
it. Okay, do it, right. Masvin, lying down, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sit and write. Sit down and write. Sit and write. Very good. Saicharan, take that vegetable and fruits page, ma. Saicharan, finish, no? Take the fruits page, page number 56. Textbook.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Finish. Very good and neat handwriting, Ryan. Very good.
wow.
Good boy. And read the fruits, ma, Saicharan. Name of fruits.
Ma'am, Diana finished.
Very good, Dayanand.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, well done. Finished, everyone? Shravan, finish.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Masven. Masven finished. Ryan finished. Saicharan finished. Dayanand finished. I think Roshan is also going to finish. Very good. Nivin finished. Good. Satvik. Satvik, did you finish?
I didn't finish, ma'am.
Show me how much you have written.
That's it, ma'am. I do only one page.
Yeah,
I
one
don't-
page is enough, ma. Good. Afterwards, you can do the next page. One page enough. Good. Very good. Shravan, show me your book, ma. Shravan. Only you are left out. Shravan. He's not there.
Ma'am, this is TV studio, ma'am. I am finished.
Very good, Shravan.
Ma'am, I
Very
am
good,
finished.
Nivin. Yeah, very good, Nivin. Thank you. Thank you very much, children. Bye, children. Shukriya.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
Shukriya, everyone.
Shukriya, ma'am. Shukriya, ma'am.
Yeah, Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Shukriya, Ryan. Shukriya, Roshan. Very good, Roshan.